want to learn something in iPhone, try our app Just Learn. There are two main parts, courses you can learn and your favorites. And there are many subjects you can choose. Guitar and music, or ice hockey. Let's see what's inside Swift 2. There are basic properties about this course. And it's a normal chapter, Introduce to Swift 2. You can click the button to like it. And this chapter is done. Let's see next one. There are more pictures and contents to read. Like it. And if you want to see some videos, what's new in Swift? It's quite convenient to learn by videos in our app. Like it. And if you are a beginner of guitar, you must want to learn something about guitar anatomy. Yes, like it. And they are all in your favorites. You can also search them by words, like Swift. Okay. You can also cancel and get them all back. You can also dislike it. It will never appear again. And we'll save your date when you terminate our app. And next time you launch it, they're still all there. And if you want to stop searching, you can just slide the screen to dismiss it. That's all. Thank you.